doing things a little different today. I already have one eye done, so yeah. I'm gonna be using the Marvicorn by Marvin Magnificent. It's from BH Cosmetics. I'm not sure if this is limited edition or not, but there was some colors that I really want to use, and I haven't used this palette yet. Like the eyeshadows I haven't used yet. So this is what that looks like. And then the first color I'm going to be using is Flatter, a warm tone soft brown. And that's just going to go on my crease. And I'm just going to take that with a fluffy eyeshadow brush. And I already have NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk all over my eyelid. I just felt like switching it up today. So I'm just going to put this in the crease. This is just to help the pink blend flawlessly. It's probably, well, it's mostly going to get covered up anyway. The next color I'm going to use is called Tongue Pop, and it's this really pretty, like, true pink color. This one right here. And I really like this color. I'm just going to take this is more of like a rounded, stiffer, dense brush. If you hear Jade meowing, a matte pink. I'm just going to put this over top of that brown color. Don't mind Jade, she's seeing reflections on the wall, and because she can't get it, she meows. Hey, what? Pink is just bring it into the outer corner. It's not really gonna matter just because we're gonna cover up anyway, but just for right now. Oh, stop. Oh, stop it. Take a regular eyeshadow brush, just like this one. This is more on the fluffy side. And I'm going to take the color Moana. And it's like a tealy blue color. This one right here. And this is a very, like, shimmery color. Kind of like a dusty, like, fallout and glitter and stuff. So keep in mind for that. And I'm just going to put that on the outer half of my eye. If you go too far into the crease, we can always just fix that. On the other side of that brush, what you're going to do, well, what I'm going to put is Bahamas. It's like a dark shimmery purple. This one right here. It's really pretty. Excuse you, miss. She's on my desk, and she's not allowed to be. I don't like her on my desk because she likes to knock things down, and then I can't get it. So this is going to go on the inner half of the eye. Feeling a whole lot of fallout on my eye. I don't know if you can tell. There's blue and then some purple, so these shades do have fallout just because they are glittery and shimmery. Now you can see that there's like a harsh line. So what you're going to do is on one side you're going to do the purple, and then on the other side you're going to do the teal, like blue color. And then you're just going to start blending and fading it in. As you can see, there's like a ton of fallout. It kind of looks like I have a black eye. So I'm just going to clean that up with a makeup wipe. Like, as you can see, like, that all just came off of my face. I always do my eyeshadow before my, like, concealer and powder and all, because just in case of fallout, I don't want to do all that work on my face just to have it ruined by fallout of eyeshadow. Is I'm just gonna add a highlight shade, and I'm gonna take a concealer brush. I'm just gonna take any like matte cream color, and this is the like the knockoff Naked Basics palette, and I'm just gonna go in with this shade. It's just Foxy. It's called Foxy, but I'm going to put that in my brow bone, and also I'm going to tone down that pink because I feel like it went a little too high. And again, I always bring it around just to clean up the edges. So as you can see, it like softened up that edge really nicely, and it like brought the pink down. Yeah. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a liner, and I'm just gonna use the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is just in the black. This is not the waterproof, which this kind, like if my eyes wet or something, this will smudge. So it's not my favorite, but it's what I have, and I've been practicing on my wing, as you can see. However, when I get the waterproof never wants to come out, or wants to come off, so I'm kind of limited on like what I want to get or whatever. So I'm just gonna make a wing, try to get them even, because you know I have trouble with that. I'm just gonna put on some mascara. I might actually go in and fix my eyeliner somehow, but I'm just going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Original. Was put a liner in my waterline, and I just used the ColourPop cream gel liner in Crybaby. It's just a like lavender lilac purple, really light. It's, as you can see, very stark. It almost looks white in the lid, but if like up close you can definitely see there's a purple tint to it. Yeah, I don't know, I just wanted to use that. And then today for my brows I used something different. I used the LA Colors brow pencil, and this is in dark blonde. It's not bad, however I think I might go with a darker shade the next time I can get to the dollar store and we're not in quarantine. So I mean, for now I'll use it, but I might get a darker shade. And I really love how this eyebrow turned out, but the left eye, forget it. Like the left eyebrow, I don't know why, but it's just, it drives me up the wall. It doesn't like to cooperate. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an inner corner highlight, and I'm just going to use the highlighter. It comes in the palette. It's called Sheesh. And it's just the lightest color, and it's just a champagne. And I'm just going to take that on my pencil, and it's just going to go into the inner corner, and then I'm going to bring it up. Just to bring some lightness on the inner part of the eye. Contoured and did concealer and powder. And then for blush, sorry, my nose is like itchy right now. I used the Disney Designer Collection blush from ColourPop in Floating Lights, and it's just a really light pink color. Yeah, and it has Rapunzel on it, so it's so cute. And now I'm gonna do highlighter. So the highlighter I'm gonna use is from the palette, and it's also the same color I used for my inner corner highlight. It's the sheer, or it's called Sheesh. And I'm just gonna take it to my favorite highlighting brush. I mean, it's a really pretty highlight. It's not like super blinding, but I mean, you can build it up if you want to. Some on my nose. I just tend to use my finger just so I can get it more concentrated. I'm going to do a little shadow underneath the eyes. I'm not going to go too crazy. I'm honestly probably just going to put like a brown underneath a flat brush and take this really dark brown called Savage. It's kind of like a dark chocolatey brown. And run that along my lower lash line. So I just added some mascara to my lower lash line, and then I sprayed on the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray. I don't know if any setting spray honestly works, but it just helps everything melt together and doesn't make everything look powdery. And usually I use the matte one, but since I already did my highlight and stuff, I didn't want to mattify it. And then for lips, I'm just going to do a lip gloss, and this is the Color Icon lip gloss in Pisces, which is funny because it's like the end of March. I think Pisces season is over, but it's just a like pink opalescent gloss with like a light pink opalescent gloss with pink and purple sparkles. And I know I'm not a lip gloss girl, but I really don't want to put a liquid lipstick on and dry out my lips even more than they already are. Even though they don't look like they're getting better, but I can still feel like the tightness. Glosses, they're not sticky, and you cannot feel the glitter. This shade would be really pretty over a pink lip gloss or a pink lipstick or like a purple lipstick. But it's really pretty on its own as well. So this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like always, my stuff will be in the description box down below. Have a good day, and I will talk to you later.